Overwatering CC plant will lead to yellow leaves of the plant, and underwatering will lead to dryness and wrinkles in the plant leaves. So those are the effects of overwatering and underwatering the ZZ plant, known as Zuzu plant, eternity plant, or the ZZ plant. So today the topic is about growing ZZ plant in your home, one of the permanent indoor plants and easy propagation. And those who forget to water, those who have no time, this is the plant that you must have in your indoor plant collection. So let's talk about ZZ plant. These beautiful plants grow with a bulb, so they are containing a lot of water in their leaves and their bulbs. So you don't need to water these plants every other day, and you must check the soil before you water. That is the first thing. And because this will lead to root rot, sunlight should be indirect, and also you should keep it in a place where it gets the filtered to partial sunlight. So if you keep it indoors in a place where it gets the low light, no need to water this plant frequently. You can check the soil before you water. That is about watering and sunlight. So if this is facing this yellow leaves problem like mine, so this is because of overwatering. Because if this plant gets too much of water, the leaves will turn yellow. If the leaves are getting dried up and wrinkles, that means plant is getting less water. So these are the two common problems with this plant. So the other thing is, you don't need to worry about fertilizer too. This plant is not that fertilizer demanding. It will grow in well draining soil. You can mix coco peat, garden soil and sand, and the propagation can be done with single stems. So this is a plant that I have grown from stems. These two are growing and it's in a small pot, and as you can see here, I have propagated this plant with a single leaf. So I'll show you this. So look, now this is the proof that you can grow ZZ plant with single leaf. So this is the process. So there are two methods. One is this single leaf method, or else by cuttings. Even in water you can do the propagation, and after the rooting you can put them in soil. So now I'm putting this back to this pot. So this plant is an indoor plant, such a beautiful green plant and easy maintenance. Those who have no time for watering and care, this is a wonderful plant. Keep it in a low light area in your home, then no need to water frequently. And if you kept it outdoors in your garden, check the soil before you water. So if you can guard this one plant from sun rays and protect the leaves from the bright sunlight, and that is also direct sunlight, and caring about water levels and balancing the moisture levels, this plant will definitely flourish. So there is no need to worry about fertilizing this plant much, and they are not fertilizer seeking. So you can grow this plant. Even a beginner gardener can grow this plant, and even if you neglect watering for a couple of days, this plant will not die out. So this is a beautiful indoor plant that you must have in your garden collection.